Good morning. My name is Arden Allen. KB6NAX is my call sign. And my presentation is about this little device. This is a modern day capitulation when the manufacturers decided they didn't want to make ferrite loop sticks for radios anymore, and the solid state circuits were sensitive enough to get reasonable reception. It's to our advantage because they're very convenient as alignment loops. I have here a RCA 5-tube, All-American 5-tube radio ready for alignment. We don't have to do anything other than come up with some way of monitoring the output, and I have an oscilloscope connected to the output transformer. And as you can see on the oscilloscope, we're receiving something. Well, what we want to receive is the IF signal. That's from the signal generator, tuned to approximately 455 kc, and I'm going to vary it a bit. We can see by looking at the sine wave on the oscilloscope, which maybe it needs to be a little bit brighter. There we go. We're a little bit off frequency, so we'll tune to 455. That's pretty close. And then we can start doing our alignment. Now you wonder how we managed to get the 455 kc into the IF stage. There's not that much rejection of the 455 IF through the front end, so we just couple it through. Let's see here. Get a little more output from this thing. That one's pretty close. That one was a little bit off. Now there are two more adjustments on the bottoms of the IF transformers. I'm not going to demonstrate those because it requires turning the radio upside down. It's a little bit complicated, but that's basically how you do the IF alignment. Simply couple the output of the signal generator into the loop antenna. The rest of it's pretty self-explanatory. Once you have the, as you can see, we have a beat note between the station we're receiving and the IF signal. So we'll tune that way off. There's a station at 640. We can align the dial using that station. We can check the bottom. Oh, we're a little tangled up here. No, we don't want that there.
Because the metal wasn't invaluable. 3 weeks ago, Doug Shifter.
Sounds like we have some ignition noise there.
Killed himself. He left a note.
You can adjust the dial calibration by tuning in your local stations. And then to get the sensitivity, you want to go up on the high end. Tune between stations or you can just hear the background noise. Really don't need that anymore. And that's pretty close to alignment done quickly and efficiently for an A5 tube radio.